The Hassan Lok Sabha constituency is often referred to as the Republic of JDS due to the strong influence of the Gowda family. This district is home to former Prime Minister H.D. Deve Gowda, former Chief Minister H.D. Kumaraswamy and H.D. Revanna, all of whom wield a firm grip on the Vokalega vote bank. The community's loyalty to the Gowda family has resulted in repeated election wins for Deve Gowda whenever he contested. His grandson, Prajwal Revanna, secured a victory here in the 2019 elections, showcasing the enduring dominance of the JDS. Despite Deve Gowda's loss in Tumkur, it was the only seat JDS won in the previous election. The JDS is confident in securing victory again in the upcoming Lok Sabha elections. Prajwal Revanna of JDS is the incumbent MP of the Hassan constituency. Prajwal Revanna's political voyage is a captivating narrative of heritage, resilience and an unwavering pledge to serve the populace of Karnataka. Born into the esteemed lineage of the Revannas, a dynasty synonymous with Karnataka's political landscape, Prajwal didn't merely inherit a name. He embraced a legacy steeped in public service and an unyielding commitment to societal welfare. From the onset, Prajwal Revanna was steeped in the ethos of social responsibility imbibed from the towering figures of his family, his grandfather H.D. Deve Gowda, his father H.D. Revanna. Their tireless endeavours to uplift the marginalized and empower the underprivileged laid the groundwork for Prajwal's journey, inspiring him to forge his own path in Karnataka's political arena. Entering politics wasn't just a personal ambition for Prajwal. It was a solemn vow to connect intimately with the grassroots and confront the pressing challenges facing his constituency head-on. With humility and empathy as his guiding lights, he set out to narrow the divide between governance and the governed, becoming a fervent advocate for the marginalized communities. Prajwal's electoral debut saw him contest from the prestigious Hassan constituency, a bastion of the Janata Dal Secular, the party founded by his grandfather. Embracing the values of inclusivity, secularism and social equity, Prajwal swiftly endeared himself to the electorate, earning widespread admiration for his sincerity and dedication to their cause. As a Member of Parliament representing Hassan, Prajwal Revanna distinguished himself through his provocative approach to tackling the myriad challenges confronting his constituents. From championing agricultural reforms to spearheading rural development and infrastructure projects, he left an indelible imprint on the socio-economic fabric of his constituency. 2014. Prajwal campaigned for his grandfather H.D. Deve Gowda in Hassan constituency. 2015. He became a member of JDS. 2018. He actively participated in the election campaign for JDS. In fact, he travelled to all parts of Karnataka state during state assembly elections. 2019. He contested and won the Hassan Lok Sabha seat in the parliament elections 2019 against BJP candidate A. Manju by a margin of 1,42,123 votes. Beyond the realm of politics, Prajwal's leadership transcends to his role as a compassionate humanitarian, catalyzing positive change and extending a helpful hand to the most vulnerable segments of society. His philanthropic endeavours, ranging from aiding disaster-stricken communities to supporting educational and healthcare initiatives, underscores his unwavering commitment to societal well-being. Prajwal Revanna's political journey epitomizes the essence of leadership, driven by a sense of duty, empathy, and a steadfast commitment to the service of the people. As he continues to tread the path laid out by his illustrious forebearers, his legacy serves as a source of inspiration for generations to come, a testament to the transformative power of principled leadership and unwavering dedication to the betterment of society.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.